Needs of cell division. With reference to unicellular organisms to maintain population size and existence on Earth. With reference to multicellular organisms to gain multicellularity, to produce spores and gametes during asexual and sexual reproduction, to heal injury, to replace old, dead, worn out cells, that is regeneration of cells. Causes of cell division. Disturbance in Kern cytoplasmic ratio or nucleocytoplasmic ratio or nucleoplasm cytoplasm ratio of the cell. Disturbance in surface area volume ratio of the cell. Mitogens, that is mitosis or cell division promoting substances. Auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, insulin, leukocynes, platelet dependent factor. Mitotic poisons, that is mitosis or cell division inhibiting substances. Azide, cyanide, mustard gas, chylons, colchicine, ribonucleases. Phases in cell cycle. Two main phases. I phase, also called interphase, also called preparatory phase, also called energy rich phase, also called resting phase, also called growth phase. Metabolically most active phase consume 95% of total cell cycle. M phase, also called mitotic phase, also called division phase. Actual division of cell occurs. Most dramatic phase consumes 5% time of total cell cycle. Cell cycle given by Howard and Pele 1953 completes in two main phases: interphase, mitotic phase. Interphase completes in three sub-phases: gap 1 phase, that is G1 phase; synthesis phase, that is S phase; gap 2 phase, that is G2 phase. Mitotic phase completes in two main steps: karyokinesis, that is division of nucleus; cytokinesis, that is division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis, that is division of nucleus, completes in four sub-steps: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Cytokinesis, that is division of cytoplasm, in animal cell occurs through cell furrow or cleavage furrow method. It occurs in centripetal manner. In plant cell, cytokinesis occurs in cell plate method, through cell plate method. It occurs in centrifugal manner. G1 phase, also called gap 1 phase, also called post-mitotic phase, also called pre-S phase, also called pre-replicating phase. S phase, also called synthesis phase, also called replicating phase, also called post-G1 phase, also called pre-G2 phase. G2 phase, also called gap 2 phase, post-S phase, post-replicating phase, also called pre-M phase. M phase, also called post-G2 phase, also called pre-G1 phase. Karyokinesis, also called D phase. Cytokinesis, also called C phase. Cell cycle. Human cell takes 24 hours to complete cell cycle. G1 phase 10 hours, S phase 9 hours, G2 phase 4 hours, M phase 1 hour. 23 hours in interphase I phase. Bacteria cell takes 20 minutes, yeast cell takes 90 minutes, onion cell takes 20 hours to complete the cell cycle. Cell cycle given by Howard and Pele in 1953. Two main phases: interphase, that is I phase; mitotic phase, that is M phase. Interphase completes into three sub phases: G1 phase, gap 1 phase, S phase, synthesis phase, G2 phase, gap 2 phase. Mitotic phase completes in two main steps: Karyokinesis, that is division of nucleus. Cytokinesis, that is division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis has 4 substeps: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Cytokinesis in animal cell occurs by cell furrow or cleavage furrow method. Cytokinesis in plant cell occur by cell plate method. Definition of cell cycle: genetically and hormonally controlled, orderly, coordinated series of events in which pre-existing mother cell prepares itself by increasing cytoplasm, doubling the cell organelles, synthesizes new compounds, ATP, etc., replicating its genome, that is DNA, and finally divides into new daughter cells, distributing the preparations equally. Events during G1 phase, that is first growth phase. Maximum cell growth occurs, cytoplasm increases, all biomolecules synthesized and stored, ribosome RNase ATP synthesis occurs, RNA polymerase is active, DNA polymerase is inactive, non-histone chromosomal NHC proteins synthesized, but histone protein synthesis is absent. Most of cell organelles doubling occur except centriole, Golgi body, mitochondria, and plastids. Events during synthesis or S phase. Chromosomes replicate, DNA acts as template to form carbon copies, newly formed chromatin attached in pairs, number of chromosomes do not increase, that is 1n remain 1n and 2n remain 2n, but amount of DNA increases from 1C to 2C for haploid cells and 2C to 4C for diploid cells. Each chromosome has 2 chromatin threads. S phase, also called invisible phase. Centrosome and centriole divide or replicate to form 2 centrosomes or centriole pairs. Events during GAP2 or G2 phase. RNase proteins synthesis continues. Tubulin protein synthesis occurs. Doubling of cell organelles like Golgi body, mitochondria, and plastids occur. Cell growth continues. Mitochondria and plastids divide by binary fission. Tubulin proteins involved in spindle fiber formation. Cell shows maximum growth. In G1 phase, synthesis of RNase, proteins, ATP, and non-histone chromosomal, that is NHC proteins occur. In S phase, synthesis of RNase, ATP, proteins, and both histone and non-histone chromosomal proteins occur. In G2 phase, synthesis of RNase, ATP, proteins, and non-histone chromosomal proteins occur. Quiescent phase, G0 phase, represents a stage of inactivation of cell cycle due to absence of mitogens and ATP. Cells remain metabolically active but do not proliferate or divide unless called on to do so. Cells exit from cell cycle. Cells show structural and functional differentiation. Mother cell, G1 to S, committed to complete cell cycle. G1 to G0, exit from cell cycle, temporary or permanently cell will not divide, cell gets differentiated. G1 to G0, G1S, G2M. Differentiated cell shows cell division. G1S, G2M. Meristematic cell remain present in continuous stage of cell cycle. Cell G1S, G2M represent primary meristematic cells like root apical meristem and shoot apical meristem and stem cell. G1 to G0 process called differentiation. Cells called differentiated cells, for example parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, cells of xylem and phloem. G1, G0, G1S, the process called dedifferentiation. Differentiated cells gain ability to divide, called dedifferentiated cells, also called secondary meristem, for example interfascicular cambium and cork cambium. Regulation of cell cycle. Cyclin dependent kinase enzyme, CDK enzyme, with the help of cyclin protein controls transition from one phase to next phase. Cyclin proteins are of two types. G1 cyclin helps in transition from G1 to S. M cyclin helps in transition from G2 to M. There are two checkpoints. G1S checkpoint represent major checkpoint. G1 CDK complex help in G1S transition. G2M checkpoint represent minor checkpoint. M CDK complex helps in transition from G to M. Differences between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis, meiosis. Equational homotypic division, reductional heterotypic division. Number of chromosomes remain same in daughter cells. Number of chromosomes reduce half in daughter cells. Cell called mitocyte, cell called meiocyte. Mostly occurs in somatic cells, also occurs in reproductive cells. Occurs only in reproductive or germ cells. Occurs both in haploid and diploid cells. Occurs only in diploid cells. Growth, development and multiplication occur. Gamete and spore formation occur. Single step process, two steps process. 2 daughter cells formed, 4 daughter cells formed. Mitosis or mitotic division. Definition: equational division in which replicated chromosomes of mother cell qualitatively and quantitatively distributed equally in daughter cells. Mitosis results in formation of clone cells, that is structurally and genetically similar cells. In unicellular organisms, mitosis helps in production of progenies and maintenance of population. In multicellular organisms, mitosis helps in increase in number of cells and growth. Occurrence of mitosis generally occurs in somatic vegetative cells. In animals, generally occurs in diploid cells, also occurs in few haploid cells of social insects like drone, honeybees, ants, etc. Mitosis produces gametes. In plants, occurs both in haploid and diploid cells, for example meristematic cells, leaf, flower, fruit, root, stem cells, etc. In animals, mitosis also occurs in zygote to form embryo and in multiplication of undifferentiated germ cells of gonads. Mitosis discovery. Strasburger 1875 discovered mitosis in plant cell. Boveri and Walther Fleming 1879 discovered mitosis in animal cell. Term mitosis given by Walther Fleming 1882. Mitosis represents indirect cell division, as nucleus and cytoplasm division undergo through many different processes. Mitosis: prophase, longest phase, divided into early, mid, and late prophase. Early prophase, condensation and untangling of chromatin network or threads. Telomere not visible. Woolen ball-like structure called spireme stage. Replicated centrioles move towards opposite poles. Astral rays formation occur. Mid-prophase, cytoplasm viscosity increases. Cytoplasm pale color. Endoplasmic reticulum Golgi body disappearing. Late prophase, migration of centrioles completed. Nucleus disappear, broken into vesicles. Nucleolus degenerated. Spindle fibers formed. Mitosis. In animal cell, astral, amphiastral, centric type mitosis occurs. In plant cell, anastral, acentric type mitosis occurs. Metaphase. Early metaphase, chromosomes, chromatins condensation completed. Chromosomes appear shortest, thickest, rod-like. Best stage to study structure, morphology of chromosomes and number of chromosomes. By process, search and capture, spindle fibers attached to kinetochore of chromosomes. Congregation, that is alignment of chromosomes, occur at single equatorial metaphasic plate. Small chromosome present in center, large chromosome present outside towards periphery. Mitosis with reference to metaphase. Colchicine obtained from Colchicum autumnale plant arrests spindle fiber formation, results in chromosomal doubling, increase in amount of genetic material and number of chromosomes. Anaphase, shortest phase, controlled by anaphase promoting complex APC. Pulling of sister chromatids, now called daughter chromosomes, take place. Splitting of centromere, best stage to study shapes of chromosomes. Number of chromosomes increases in anaphase. Pulling of daughter chromosomes called disjunction. Mitosis with reference to anaphase. During pulling of daughter chromosomes, centromeres present towards poles and arms trail behind, hanging. Telophase, called reverse prophase. Pulling of daughter chromosomes completed. Chromosomes decondensed to form chromatin network. Nucleus and nucleolus reappeared, reformed. Spindle fibers degenerated. Identity of chromosomes lost. Endoplasmic reticulum Golgi body visible. Cytoplasm viscosity decreases. Two identical daughter nuclei formed. Mitosis, animal cytokinesis, occurs through cell furrow or cleavage furrow method. Occurs from periphery towards center, that is centripetal manner. Cytokinesis performed by contractile ring made up of actin and myosin filaments. Plant cytokinesis occurs through cell plate method. Occurs from center towards periphery, that is centrifugal manner. Firstly, phragmoplast, that is spindle fibers plus loosely arranged Golgi body and endoplasmic reticulum vesicles formed. Then cell plate, that is tightly attached vesicles of Golgi body formed. Then middle lamella formed. Mitosis, types of spindle fibers. In metaphase, three types. First, chromosomal or kinetochore or tractile spindle fiber from pole to kinetochore of chromosome. Second, polar spindle fiber from one pole to other pole. Third, non-polar spindle fibers from pole to center of cytoplasm. In anaphase, four types. First, chromosomal or kinetochore or tractile spindle fiber. Second, polar spindle fiber. Third, non-polar spindle fiber. Fourth, interzonal spindle fibers formed between two pooled sister chromatids or daughter chromosomes. Polar spindle fiber represent continuous spindle fibers. Chromosomal and non-polar spindle fibers represent discontinuous spindle fibers. Mitosis. Types of mitosis. Two types. Eumitosis or true mitosis or open mitosis. In this type, nucleus that is nuclear membrane disappear after prophase and spindle fibers are extranuclear in origin formed outside nucleus represents normal mitosis. Premitosis, endomitosis, closed mitosis. In this type, nucleus or nuclear membrane remain intact, present throughout karyokinesis. Spindle fibers are intranuclear in origin, formed inside nucleus. For example, fungi, dinoflagellate, etc. Mitosis. Significance of mitosis. Growth and development of multicellular organisms. Reproduction and increase in population of unicellular organisms. Replacement of lost part. Maintain nucleus-cytoplasmic ratio and surface area volume ratio of cell. Maintain genetic composition of cell. Healing of injury and replacement of dead cells. In plants, increase in height and girth. Mitosis. Best experimental material to study mitosis is onion root tip having root apical meristem. Formulae. To produce n number of cells, number of mitosis or mitotic division required is equal to n minus 1 with reference to arithmetic growth or 2 raised to n with reference to geometric growth. To produce n number of cells, generation time or mitotic generations required is equal to 2 raised to n. Meiosis. Definition. Meos means to listen. Meiosis is double division of mother cell nucleus into 4 daughter cells nuclei. Meiosis represents reductional division. Number of chromosomes reduce half in daughter cells. Results in formation of 4 genetically different haploid daughter cells. In meiosis, division of nucleus and cytoplasm occur twice, but DNA replication occurs once. Meiosis. Meiosis completes in 2 stages. Meiosis 1, Meiosis 2. Meiosis 1. Actual reductional division. Heterotypic division. Resultant cells called dyad cells having half the number of chromosomes occurs in diploid cell. Meiosis 2. Equational division. Same as mitosis. Homotypic division. Resultant cells called daughter cells having same number of chromosomes occurs in haploid cell. Meiosis. Term meiosis given by Farmer and Murray 1905. Meiosis occurs in diploid sporophyte cells only. Cells that perform meiosis called meiocytes. Best experimental material to study meiosis is anther. Meiosis. Occurrence. In sexually reproducing animals, meiosis occurs in gonads, that is testis and ovary. Testis has spermatocytes, sperm mother cells. Meiosis produces sperm cells. Ovary has oocytes, ovum mother cell. Meiosis produces ovum. In lower plants like fungi, algae, certain protists, meiosis occurs in zygote. In bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms, meiosis occurs in spore mother cells, microspore mother cells, and megaspore mother cells. Meiosis. Types of meiosis. Zygotic meiosis, also called initial meiosis, occurs in zygote, results in spore formation. Sporic meiosis, also called intermediate meiosis, occurs in spore mother cells, microspore mother cells, and megaspore mother cells. Results in spores, microspores, and megaspores formation. Gametic meiosis, also called terminal meiosis, occurs in gamete mother cells, results in gametes formation. Meiosis, meiosis 1, karyokinesis 1, prophase 1. Leptotin, untangling of chromosomes, each chromosome longest, thinnest, with two sister chromatids. Animal cells show bouquet stage. Astral rays formation and movement of centrioles towards opposite poles occur. Zygotin, synaptotin. Synapsis, that is pairing of homologous chromosomes, occurs. Bivalent tetrad formation occurs. Synaptonemal complex formation occurs, maintained by nucleoplasmin proteins. Meiosis, meiosis 1, karyokinesis 1, prophase 1. Packaging, bivalence clearly visible. Crossing over and recombination occur. Exchange of genetic materials, parts, segments occur between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes, performed by recombinase complex enzyme, results in formation of recombinant chromosomes. Diplotin, reverse zygotin, desynapsis of homologous chromosomes due to dissolution of nucleoplasmin proteins. Formation of chiasmata occurs. Meiosis, meiosis 1, karyokinesis 1, prophase 1. With reference to diplotin, arrested diplotin for months or years called dictyotin. For example, primary oocyte. Diakinesis, terminalization of chiasmata occurs. Slipping of chiasmata towards terminus results in separation of homologous chromosomes. Nucleus and nucleolus degenerated. Connecting link between prophase 1 and metaphase 1. Meiosis, meiosis 1, metaphase 1. Chromosomes condensation completed. Chromosomes appear thickest and shortest. By process search and capture, spindle fibers attached with kinetochore of chromosomes. Here, congregation results in alignment of homologous chromosomes at two equatorial or metaphasic plates. Arrangement of paternal and maternal chromosomes is random. Out of two kinetochores of each chromosome, only one kinetochore has attachment of spindle fibers. Meiosis, meiosis 1, anaphase 1. Pulling of homologous chromosomes occur towards opposite poles. Process called disjunction. Chromosomes are pulled in the form of two chromatids. Splitting of centromere absent. Here, instead of division of chromosomes, segregation of chromosomes occur, also called independent assortment of homologous chromosomes. During anaphase 1, reduction in number of chromosomes as well as amount of DNA occur, but amount of DNA is same as of mother cell after anaphase 1. Meiosis 1, telophase 1. Disjunction, assortment of homologous chromosomes towards opposite pole completed. Chromosomes show little decondensation. Do not assume chromatin network structure. Nucleus and nucleolus reformed, reappeared. Spindle fibers degenerated. Telophase 1 results in formation of two haploid nuclei. Meiosis 1. Cytokinesis 1. Cytokinesis occurs in formation of two genetically different haploid cells called dyad cell. Interkinesis, also called intrameiotic interphase, it represents short time resting phase before starting of meiosis 2. Interkinesis is not divided in G1S and G2 phases. There is no replication of DNA or chromosomes. Only centriole replication occurs in animal cell. RNA, ATP and protein synthesis also occur. Meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 performs reduction of DNA to half with reference to mother cell. Number of chromosomes remains same after meiosis 2, thus it is equational division. Meiosis 2 is same as mitosis as it performs processes similar to mitosis, but meiosis 2 is not mitosis because meiosis 2 occurs only in haploid cells, but mitosis occurs both in haploid and diploid cells. In meiosis 2, sister chromatids of chromosomes are unidentical due to crossing over, but in mitosis, sister chromatids are identical. Meiosis 2 has shortest prophase, whereas mitosis has longest prophase. Meiosis 2, prophase 2, shortest phase, not divided into early, mid and late prophase. No untangling of chromosomes. Condensation of chromosomes take place. Replicated centrioles in animal cell move towards opposite poles. Spindle fiber formation started. Nucleus and nucleolus degenerated. Meiosis 2, metaphase 2. Spindle fibers get attached with both kinetochores of each chromosomes. Congregation occurs in alignment of all chromosomes at single equatorial or metaphasic plate. Meiosis 2, anaphase 2. Pulling of sister chromatids, daughter chromosomes take place. Splitting of centromeres occur. Division of chromosomes and reduction of amount of DNA occur. Meiosis 2, telophase 2. Pulling of daughter chromosomes towards opposite poles completed. Daughter chromosomes show decondensation to form chromatin reticulum. Nucleus and nucleolus reformed, reappeared. Telophase 2 results in formation of four genetically different haploid N by C daughter nuclei. Significance of meiosis. Meiosis restores, conserves, maintains number of chromosomes generation after generation, per se paradoxically statement. In sexually reproducing diploid organisms, meiosis brings haploid condition, whereas fertilization restores the diploid condition again. Meiosis brings genetic variations among progenies of same parent and members of same species. Meiosis helps in evolution. Types of meiosis based on cytokinesis. Successive meiosis. In this, during meiosis, each karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. Meiocyte, meiosis, meiosis 1, karyokinesis 1, cytokinesis 1, meiosis 2, karyokinesis 2, cytokinesis 2. This results in isobilateral tetrad formation. Simultaneous meiosis. In this, during meiosis, each karyokinesis does not followed by cytokinesis. Cytokinesis occurs after completion of meiosis. Meiocyte, meiosis, meiosis 1, karyokinesis 1, meiosis 2, karyokinesis 2, cytokinesis. This results in formation of tetrahedral tetrad. A mitosis discovered by Remak 1841, described by Fleming 1882, also called binary fission. For example, members of Monera and most of protists and protozoans, etc. During amitosis, there is no degeneration of nucleus. Nucleus remain intact throughout karyokinesis. Spindle fibers and distinct chromosomes formation absent. Amitosis is direct cell division as steps of karyokinesis are absent. Karyokinesis occurs by invagination in fold of nuclear membrane, and cytokinesis also occurs by infold of cell membrane. Nucleus before karyokinesis and cell membrane before cytokinesis show elongation enlargement. Meiosis formulae. For formation of N or X number of microspores, pollen grains, male gametes, sperm cells, microgametes. Number of meiosis or meiotic division required is equal to N by 4 or X by 4. For formation of N or X number of megaspores, endosperm with reference to gymnosperm, embryo sac with reference to angiosperm, egg cells, ovum cells, megagametes. Number of meiosis or meiotic division required is equal to N or X. To produce N or X number of zygotes, embryos, seeds, fruits, number of meiosis or meiotic division required is equal to N plus N by 4 or X plus X by 4. Number of chromosomes and amount of DNA with reference to diploid cell. Mitosis. Mother cell 2n2c, G1 2n2c, S 2n4c, G2 2n4c, prophase 2n4c, metaphase 2n4c, anaphase 4n4c, telophase. Nucleus 2n2c, cell 4n4c. Cytokinesis. Daughter nucleus 2n2c, daughter cells 2n2c. N number of chromosomes, C amount of DNA. Number of chromosomes and amount of DNA. Meiosis. Mother cell 2n2c, G1 2n2c, S 2n4c, G2 2n4c. Prophase 1 leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotin, diakinesis 2n4c. Metaphase 1 2n4c, anaphase 1 2n4c, telophase 1 nucleus n2c, cell 2n4c. Cytokinesis 1 dyad cells, nucleus n2c, cell n2c. Prophase 2 n2c, metaphase 2 n2c, anaphase 2 2n2c, telophase 2 nucleus nc, cell 2n2c. Cytokinesis 2 daughter nucleus nc, daughter cell nc.